Today, I'm going to show you how you can train your own image model in just a few clicks. First, let's go TurboLora.com, then click on Train New LoRa. Now, we are going to click and drag our training image. You only need about 5 to 15 images. You can select your caption files if you have them, but for this demo, I'm going to let the AI generate caption for me. Now, let's make a trigger word so the AI knows when to generate the images of our character. I'm going to name this Eva Demo. And let's also give an validation prompt so we can see our AI learn on our own custom prompt. This is optional, so feel free to skip it. Now, I am going to select my content style to be content and leave the other parameter as it is, because it works well for most cases. You can play around with it if you like. Now, finally, let's click Start Training. I want to see the caption it generates for our images. You can select Auto Generate and Train if you don't want to wait for captions to be generated. But for this demo, I will select Review and Edit Captions first. Once our images are uploaded, the caption generation will begin automatically. I'm going to fast forward this generation, so you don't have to sit and wait for all captions to be generated. Alright, looks like all our captions are generated. Now let's click on Start Training. Perfect! To see our training progress, click on the Training Progress tab, and here you can see it train. I am going to fast forward so you don't have to watch it train, and we can start playing around with the model once the training has completed. Alright, our training is completed. Now let's try it out. I'm going to click on Select LoRa to select the Eva Demo model for Z-Image Turbo and type in the prompt, I want an image of Eva Demo at the office working on a robot. Then click Generate Image. There you have it. It's an image of Eva Demo working on a robot. Let's play around with it. Let's try, I want an image of Eva Demo at the office working on a robot. The robot has to be the same height as her. Let's try that. Not exactly what I had in mind, but let's try something else. Let's try, I want an image of Eva Demo at factory working on robots. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's try something cooler. I want Eva Demo as a half human and half robot. That's what I am talking about. That's pretty cool. If you want to train your own LoRa for Z-Image, go to TurboLora.com and make your own image models in just a few clicks. No code, no GPU, just a few sample images and your own AI model is ready to go.